Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Koinly to import wallet transactions and calculate taxes.
Navigate to the Koinly website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the Wallets tab on the dashboard. Click on Add Wallet to start the wallet configuration process.
From the list of supported exchanges and wallets, select the type of wallet you wish to import.
Follow the prompts to configure the selected wallet. For most wallets, you will need to provide your wallet address or API key. Copy your wallet address from your cryptocurrency wallet.
Paste the wallet address into the Koinly input field. If using an API key, generate it from your wallet or exchange account as instructed.
Make sure to set the appropriate permissions when creating the API key. Once you have entered the address or API key, click on the Import button. Koinly will begin importing transactions from your wallet. Depending on the size of your transaction history, this may take After the import finishes, review the transactions displayed in your Koinly dashboard. Check for any errors or missing transactions. If any transactions are incorrect, you can manually edit them.
To manage transaction types, click on each transaction to categorize it appropriately.
Ensure that each transaction is set to the correct type, such as trade, sale, or transfer. When all transactions are correct, navigate to the Taxes tab on the dashboard. Choose the tax year for which you want to calculate taxes. Koinly will automatically generate a tax report based on the imported transactions. Review the tax report details carefully for accuracy. If needed, you can export your tax report in various formats. Select the format that is compatible with your tax filing requirements. Once you have the report exported, you're ready to proceed with your tax filing. Review Koinly's support documents if you encounter any difficulties.
Using Koinly simplifies tracking and reporting crypto transactions for tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.